So this is me trying to outrun the Malaysian Coast Guard on a Sea-Doo. But how did we end up here? Well, let's go back to the beginning. A few weeks ago, I got a text from my friend James asking if I was up for another crazy adventure with Sea-Doo. Naturally, I said yes without asking for any more details. And that was my first mistake. Now, I've been lucky to work with Sea-Doo in the past on some pretty incredible adventures, so I figured, how different could this be? Well, let me tell you.
So check this out. I'm about to drive 1,000 kilometers in 5 days on this bad boy right here. So the plan was this: a group of 10 of us would jump on Sea-Doo Explorers starting in Batam, Indonesia, and spend the next 5 days driving all the way up the west coast of Malaysia to finish at the island of Langkawi. 1 kilometer in, 999 to go. What have I signed up for? This is ridiculous. There's gonna be a roller coaster of emotions in this adventure, I can just tell. At least it's sunny right now. Sun protection, essential. Essential. Yeah.
Getting a little low on fuel, so team has stopped for a quick refill. Got a whole other tank in these bad boys, so better switch the Sea-Doo up and refill. Nice. Yeah, nice. Too easy. Oh yeah. Oh, we're moving. We're moving. Hey.
Later.
Day 3, taking a low blow to my vibes right now because I just hit a wave and the suction cup fell off, and I feel like a complete idiot because I had a float on, the pole floats, but I think the suction cup was too heavy. Fuck, I'm more bummed about losing the footage. I never lose cameras, I never lose cameras. Oh, this is such a low blow. Pretty bummed about that right now. The realities of filming action stuff. It's gonna happen. Empty fuel tank, but we've got a floating petrol station. Pretty insane. Refueling the Sea-Doos, and then we're on our way again.
Chris's turn to refuel. Look at him doing all the hard work.
There's a little bit more convenience refueling like this than having to do it yourself, I won't lie. Thank you. Lunch on the water. Unreal. Thank you, sir. Jamie, this day just got like 100 times better. This is unreal.
Chris has just found out what he's got for lunch. We were just having a quick nap because the guys said they were going to go in and get us some food, but where we are, literally middle of nowhere, we're expecting maybe, I don't know, some traditional food or something, some fried rice. Look at this, a literal burger, some fried chicken.
Dude, so good. Day 3 lunch.
Day 3, 135 kilometers into a trek.
We've done 135 already today. Apparently, yeah. KFC is spicy in Malaysia. Why is it spicy? Fueled up.
Lunch on the water.
We're ready to kick it. Oh yeah.
How sick is this little container home we're staying in for the night? The Sea-Doo crew right on the beach. With this view, would you look at that? One reality I want to talk about is that I am exhausted. I've done 700 kilometers in 3 days. My body is wrecked. I'm sunburned, even though I've put on sunscreen like every 20 minutes. And I'm at a beautiful view like this, and I feel like a reality check is as much fun as these trips are, they're also a ton of work, and you put your body through a lot. So as much as it looks like we're having fun, we're also working really hard and pushing ourselves to the limit. But by no means a complaint, but a bit of a reality check when it comes to projects like this. I thought it was important to share that because I know these videos look like a lot of fun, and they are a lot of fun, but there's also another side to it. It's gonna be an insane sunset. I actually just want to film this, but I'm so wrecked right now. Epic morning out here. Great conditions. Gonna rip the wake skate right now, and Jamie's gonna give me a little tow.
Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. I just wanna feel liberated.
Oh, that's gonna look unreal. That hurt.
Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning, babe. Nothing in the water. I just wanna feel liberated. I just wanna feel liberated. It's awesome.
I'm so tired. Now we're gonna start the day.
Okay, so I wasn't actually being chased by the Malaysian Coast Guard. Sea-Doo had organized a Coast Guard escort for the entire trip, and these legends were with us the whole time.
Pretty badass, and it also looks like I'm trying to outrun these guys. Don't stand a chance. Don't fuck with the Malaysian Coast Guard, I'll tell you that for free. To Langkawi, the final destination, 1,000 kilometers later. I won't lie, this destination is highly anticlimactic, but sometimes it's about the journey and not the destination. So I guess that is exactly what this is. Anyway, thank you Sea-Doo for an unreal time. My body's broken. Until the next one. Oh, this might be one of the most physically demanding trips I've ever done. Busy applying Tiger Balm to my entire body because it's hurting so much.